Fellow ministers, I welcome all of you on behalf of COP presidency. This year India is COP president and we want to engage with the world to take major leaps in the direction which we have decided in Delhi Declaration. It's all about source and sink. We need to create a huge carbon sink. There are many ways to do that. Afforestation as well as land restoration. India has decided to create 2.5 billion tons of carbon sink. SDG 15 talks about life on land and other goals are also our guideline. This corona pandemic has impacted everybody. But I am very confident that we will soon recover. I am optimist. I am not pessimist. I am not doomsayer. I can tell with confidence that yes, there were challenges for human race during the whole course of life, but every time human race has overcome it. India has come out with a major economic relief package of $250 billion titled as Atmanirbhar Bharat, Self-Reliant India. And in that we have provided food, shelter, travel and relief. Food to millions and millions of people, and there was social contribution also because society also organized food camps at many places. We provided ration to more than 800 million people and free ration for 2 months to those non-ration card holders and 5 months for ration card holders. This is the time the human race should have a new contract with nature. And that's why we are celebrating this World Desertification and Drought Day. India is world leader as far as land restoration is concerned, as we have taken the biggest target of converting and restoring 26 million hectares. It's huge. We are going to restore in next 10 years. Land and its consumption. We need to restore every land. What is food, fiber and feed? These are the basic human necessities, and land is for that. India has 327 million hectares of land with 1.37 billion people. But we have enough food. Our Prime Minister has given a new slogan of per drop more crop, meaning thereby don't waste water or any other resources. We have come out with unique programs like soil health card for all farms, neem coating of urea, so the nitrogen is released slowly, it improves the production, it consumes less fertilizer and it restores land to a great extent. We are also decided and started the program of making farmer a power producer, putting solar panels on the land where he cannot do anything else. Fallow land can be restored, but there are certain patches of land which you cannot reconstruct. Therefore, you can become a solar farmer. We have already taken up various methods of water saving to water restoration to watershed development programs. India's efforts, and we all need to do common efforts to save the earth, and we must sign a new contract with nature. I think these are my opening remarks. Once again, I welcome all of you and wish you all the best. I was to be with you for a whole session, but now I have to attend a very important political program elsewhere out of Delhi, and therefore I could not be with you. Thank you and all the best.